Hi, I'm Mike with Fusco Senior Associates. Thanks so much for visiting our webpage and watching my video about insurance inspections on your business insurance policy. Now, you may be wondering, why am I receiving an inspection for a policy I recently purchased for my business? Now, I think the first thing we really need to do, and we try to explain this to as many clients as possible, but our team really believes in, I think you need to change your mindset. We all need to change our mindset on insurance inspections, that they're a good thing. They're a value added benefit for you, the policyholder. To have an insurance company have a second set of eyes on a policy that is written, whether it be a liability policy or a commercial property policy, is a good thing. In a lot of cases, you pay for the inspection. If you look at the breakdown of the proposal, the pricing on the policy, there are sometimes fees called inspection fees, and that's what this is. That's the insurance company inspecting your operation or your property and making sure that what's on the application and the information that was provided to them, which a lot of times dictates the language in the policy, is correct, is accurate. So let's talk a little bit about business insurance inspections. You recently bought a policy, and you're getting a phone call. Sometimes insurance companies do inspections over the phone, or you're receiving a form to fill out, or that they're asking to come out and visit you. But on a liability policy, let's start there. The insurance company wants to verify the information on the application to make sure the policy was written correctly, to make sure they have the correct exposures, and they're rating they're rating the policy properly. They're going to verify things such as your business operations, the type of a business you're in, what type of work you perform, your gross sales, your gross payroll. If you hire subs or independent contractors, they want to make sure that you have the correct contracts or indemnifications on file. They also want to know what the square footage. They want to verify square footage of your space. Years in business if you've had previous claims. All the information that we put on the application, and it may seem redundant, and I know a lot of times it seems like the whole Big Brother approach, but it's a good thing because now they're verifying that everything is proper and accurate, and they're going to place that in your insurance file. And then if there's any changes that need to be made, they're going to check in with us, and we're going to check in with you to see if the changes are indeed accurate, or if there was a mistake or maybe a miscommunication. So good thing there. Now on a property policy, there's a couple things they can do. But keep in mind that the protective safeguards of your property, say you own a building, or if you lease a space and you have property coverage for your contents, the safeguards of that property play a big role in the insurance coverage. So they want to make sure that you have proper safeguards in place, that there aren't any high risk hazards. If they find any, they're going to give us some recommendations. They're going to say, okay, well, you can improve here. You can maybe add a fire extinguisher here, maybe some lighting there, whatever it may be. But they're going to give you good recommendations, and you're going to have the opportunity to use those recommendations to decrease your risk and decrease the hazards of your property, then lessening or the chance of a claim happening. Because that's the whole purpose. So again, second set of eyes, good verification. Um, if you're in the construction industry, companies are now doing more, or it's more common that they're going to do job site inspections. Again, a good thing. They're going to come out and make sure that your employees are, you know, safe, that they're doing things properly, that you have safeguards in place on the job site, that there's no hazards that they see that could increase the chance or the risk of liability, or the risk of injury, or the risk of damage. And they're going to give us recommendations if they find anything. If not, they're going to say, hey, that was great. Your job site inspection was great. You're doing things the right way. Your employees are staying safe. And again, a value added benefit. So that's what business insurance inspections are about. I know, a lot of times, and we understand they could seem redundant because you took time to do an application with us. We gathered information, we underwrote the policy, and now you're having to do it all over again. It seems like it shouldn't really take that long. It's not the same process. It's more of a checkup. And again, in a lot of cases, you're paying for it, so take advantage of it. Allow the insurance company to verify everything and move on. If you have any questions about insurance inspections, you can, of course, reach your broker if you're a client of our agency. You can call me directly if you're not a client and you have questions. I'm happy to help. My direct number is 858 384 1507. You can also complete the form below at the bottom of our blog or click the link in our YouTube description, and we'll get you in contact with an agent to help. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.